Alright, so I'm going to show you guys how to raid and the crafting recipes for raiding materials in this. So for homemade stuff, it's all this. This can be found in construction areas. It can be found in basically all industrial areas. So first what you're going to want to do is find a charcoal powder, some sulfur powder. You want to craft. And then get yourself some gunpowder. Once you have 2 gunpowder made into a full bottle, you'll be able to get a burlap sack, combine it into a homemade explosive. So this is a homemade explosive. There's 2 ways you can do it. A homemade timer or a remote device. So you can put a receiver on it or a timer. Let's do the timer. Configure. Let's change it to 10 seconds. Set. Choose placement, mount. All right, configure. Let's change it back down to 10. If it wants to. All right, let's just start it at 10. So homemades always don't do that much damage. So it'll take about 2 to get there. What you can also do is find these rarely in military areas. So let's craft 2 C4 sticks into 1 military C4. Then you can put a receiver on it. You can also put a timer on it. Let's do that. So we got to arm it first. So now that it's armed, you choose the placement. And these will one-shot any wall. All right. So then now you need a receiver. If you use a military receiver, you need the detonator for it. Vice versa with the homemade versions. So let me get myself a battery, a 9-volt. So you switch it on, you gotta connect it to the receiver. So if you look in the bottom left, it says safe. Push X. Does all. Stand back. Trigger it. There you go. Code lock comes off. All the locks come off. And now you're in. On rating that I've added are rockets. So there's an RPG, which takes a RPG round, and then a law. So these are just like any other video games rating, rush, whatever you call it. They don't do that much damage, but I guess they can be a little easier to come by compared to the sticks of C4. The same factor. You're in.